Here goes nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So last October 2019, DJI finally launched their latest drone, the Mavic Mini. It was marketed as a drone that was so small and so light, you could practically fly it anywhere without worrying about FAA regulations. And it came in two packages. We have the Mavic Mini Standard Kit. We have the Fly More Combo. Two packages. And for the purposes of this video today, finally after a month of waiting, we are going to do an unboxing of the Fly More Combo Kit. Okay, so here we have the Mavic Mini Standard Kit and the Fly More Combo. Like I said, today we are going to be doing an unboxing for the Fly More Combo Kit. So I'll just get this out of the way and then I guess we can start unboxing. Okay, so let's open the box. And this is how it looks like inside. You have the DJI carrying case for the Mavic Mini. And it doesn't come with the standard kit. It only comes with a Fly More Combo kit. And I don't know if you can see that, but the texture is really nice. It feels really nice to the touch. And it's kind of heavy, so I'm guessing that the drone is inside because it's nowhere inside the box. So this box contains the it contains the prop guards. It doesn't come with the standard kit, only with the Fly More Combo. Basically, you install these as an added protection for the Mavic Mini, of course, when you're flying. So this contains, I think, this contains the documentation. I'll probably read those later because I have zero experience with drones. This is a USB wall charger. Yeah, so that's always nice to have. And we have one more thing in the box. This one contains the 3 batteries. One of the differences between the standard kit and the Fly More Combo is that with the Fly More Combo you get 3 batteries, while in the standard kit only comes with 1 battery. So that's a big advantage for getting the Fly More Combo. Okay, so now we are getting to the main event. It's time to open the most exciting part of this unboxing, which is the carrying case. So inside the carrying case, you will find, of course, the DJI Mavic Mini. Look at this little thing. The DJI Mavic Mini. And for size comparison, if you've watched a lot of other videos online, this thing is really small. It's even smaller than my hands, basically. And also inside the box is the, I think this is the two-way charging. Yeah, this is a two-way charging hub. You insert 3 batteries here, so that you can charge them almost simultaneously. So all the batteries go inside there. And according to other videos I've watched on YouTube, this is also a power bank. It can also act as a power bank. You have extra connections here, a USB and a micro USB connection, and that way you can use it as a power bank. This doesn't come with the standard kit as well. It only comes with the Fly More Combo, and I was really excited to get this one. But it's also available as a separate purchase over at DJI's website. Just don't know when the availability will be, but you can get it just in case you weren't able to get the FILMMAKERS combo. This is a what the hell? It doesn't want to open. There we go. So in this box we have USB cable. It's a micro USB to USB connection. We have the this is the control sticks. Yeah, these are the remote control sticks. We have additional connecting cables. This is a lightning to micro USB adapter. This is a micro USB to micro USB adapter, and this is a USB-C to a micro USB adapter. So you have 3 connectors for the Mini. This box contains it's another micro USB to USB cable. So you have 2 of these in the FILMMAKERS combo. You have this is a small screwdriver inside the box. And that's it. There's nothing inside. And then finally, we also have the there's one more box. Yeah, but this one is of course the DJI Mavic Mini's remote control. So like I said, I have no experience yet how to fly a drone. I have no experience, no idea how this works, so I'll probably have to read the manual before I see. I don't even know how to open the antennas, but this is the controller for the Mini. And then the last box contains 3 additional propeller sets. So that's pretty handy. That's really nice. So you have 3 propellers inside. You have 1 set that's already installed on the drone, and then you have 3 extra sets inside. So that's a really nice thing to have. I wonder how often you need to be changing your propellers for DJI to include 3 extra sets, but at least it's there. It's nice to know that you have extra. I guess that's it. That's what's inside. We have some additional information there, but inside the carrying case, this is what you get. Again, you get some cables, the remote control sticks, the controller itself, the Mavic Mini, of course, the 2-way charging hub, and you have 3 extra batteries. You have the documentation, and then the wall charger, and yeah, so that's it. I guess the next thing to do would be to try and turn on the drone to see just to see how it works, how everything works. Oh, and the propeller guards. So I tried turning on the drone from the table and I got shocked by the amount of power it generates and the wind it generated.
Oh my god.
So I feel like I'm still reeling in with the adrenaline rush right now, and probably that probably wasn't a really smart move, but it's still really exciting, and because it is, I decided to try and fly it again, this time from the floor, so that it's a little bit less intense. Let's see how it goes. So we'll put the battery inside again. Let's see. Alright, turning on the drone. So we're firing up the DJI Fly app again. We're gonna try and fly that thing again. We'll press the take off button. It's amazing. I'm still in shock. And there is a lot of wind. And you see there the sensors from below activating. That is cool. That is super cool. So there you have it. That is our first flight. I'm gonna land this thing now. So I guess now what's left is try and find a better place, a more safe place to fly this drone, somewhere that's preferably not a restricted fly zone, to try and see the limits and the performance of it. If you guys like this video, found this video helpful, a like would mean a lot to me. If you have questions about things you find inside the box that maybe I forgot to include, leave a comment down below. We'll probably do a more in-depth video regarding the tech specs and the more nitty-gritty details of the drone and the app itself. But for now, let's leave it at that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.